Today, I've got a special treat for you. We are going to learn how to make these guys. These wonderful, wonderful power suits from Super Mario Bros. 3. Hello and welcome to another episode of Nostalgic Nick-Nacks. My name is Ryan and this is my retro gaming Perler Beading YouTube channel. So stay tuned for more, and please make sure if you enjoy this video and you want more videos like it, let me know in the comments below. Before we get into the beading, I just want to share a few thoughts about Super Mario Bros. 3 and what it means to me. So I played Super Mario Bros. 3 back in the day. I actually did not have an NES, but I played it on Super Mario All-Stars, which was kind of the first compilation game with 3 Mario Brothers games, and then they came out with the cart with 4 with Super Mario Brothers 1, 2, 3, and Super Mario World. I never played that one, but I did catch Super Mario Brothers 3 on the Super Nintendo, and I really enjoyed it. It had a sort of magic flair to it with all these wonderful power-ups, and my favorite thing about it was the Tanuki suit. And everybody I talked to about Super Mario Brothers 3, they remember the Tanuki suit. Yes, they do. They say, well, it was sort of like a raccoon, I think, maybe like a bear, and then you turn into a statue. There's nothing cooler than that. I mean, come on. That's great. But then you top it off with a frog suit. It's game over at that point. My favorite world in Super Mario Bros. 3 was World 4, I believe, and that was the world where everything was giant. You had giant Koopas and giant Goombas, and it was just fantastic. You go through the pipe, and now you're regular size. You go through the pipe again, and then you're giant. All the enemies are giant. There's just something magical and different about that. So overall, excellent game. I just played through it on the Switch and enjoyed every second of it. I have to go back to it soon. I just can't get enough of it. Let's get into the Perler beading, what you need, what colors you need, the materials you need, and let's have fun. Let's get to it. Okay, I just want to chime in here and talk about the ironing process. So when I put my iron, I'm using the Cricut Mini, by the way. When I put it on the ironing paper, I want to make sure I iron my edges first, because black always irons the quickest. Black perler beads also link together faster, melt together faster. As you can see, the right side is already melted pretty much. It doesn't take a long time. And by the way, I'm using level 3 setting on this Cricut Mini heat press. So just make sure that you're taking your time, always double checking to see what it looks like. That's what I love about this heat press, is that you can see everything and you don't have to guess at it too much. So I'm going around one more time and it's finished. Now I flip it. There's one side of Mario already done. Now I'm going to iron this second side. Place your paper on him and then start ironing again. It's as simple as that. So something interesting happened here with this Tanuki Mario. As you can see, this black bead here did not connect, it did not melt fully. So please don't get frustrated if your perler bead project does not melt fully. What you need to do, take your ironing paper and go back to that section and just do a little tiny bit at a time. Keep a watchful eye on it, and you're going to see those beads start to come together. What you don't want to do is iron too much. Just enough. Just a little. Now look. It's all in one piece, and it looks great. No more wobble. Good as new. There you have it. Wonderful Super Mario Bros. 3 sprites made out of perler beads. You can make these guys into keychains. You could put a magnet on them. You could even add them to an art piece, however you want to do it. So thanks so much for watching. I'll be having some more great videos out soon. I really appreciate you, and until next time, happy beading.